Good medical morning. Today, we're going to look at ear blackheads, which is our most popular search term according to our main channel, Medical King. Before we show you some more of our favorite ear blackheads, let's look at some of our other most popular popping search terms. One term is solar comedones. Do you think these videos qualify as solar comedones? Now, let's look at some ear blackheads. Next up in our popular search terms are nose blackheads. Let's take a look. Speaking of blackheads, isn't it time you picked up a new pimple popper kit for each member of the family? Let's take a look at my favorite kit. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching.